Okay, I'm about to sing For You I Will by Monica. Hey, okay. When you feel lost in the night, when you feel your world just ain't right, call on me, I will be waiting. Count on me, I will be here. Anytime your times get too tough, anytime you're facing the night, I'll, I'll be the one to make it better. I'll be there to protect you, see you through. I'll be there if there is nothing I won't do. I will cross the ocean for you. I will go and bring you the moon. I will be your hero, your strength, anything you need. I will be the sun in the sky. I will light your way for all time. Promise you, you are will. I will shield your heart from the rain. I will let no harm come to me. Oh, these arms will be your shelter. No, these arms won't let you down. If there is a mountain to move, I will move that mountain for you. I'm here for you. I'm here forever. I will be your fortress, tall and strong. I'll keep you safe and stand beside you, right or wrong. I will cross the ocean for you. I will go and bring you the moon. I will be the hero, your strength, anything you need. I will be the sun in your sky. I will light your way for a long time. Promise you, for you I will. Mm-mm-mm. For you I will lay my life on the line. For you I will fight, oh, for you I will die. With every breath, with all my soul, I give my world, I give it all. Put your faith in me, and I'll do anything, no. I will cross the ocean for you. I will go and bring you a moon. I will be a hero. I will be a hero, your friend. Anything you need. I will be the sun in your sky. I will light your way for time. Promise you, for you I will, I will, I will. I will cross the ocean for you. I will go and bring you the moon. I will be your hero, your strength, anything you need. I will be the sun in your sky. I will let you wait for a promise you, for you I will. Oh, promise you, for you I will. Okay, so just give me your feedback, and I was about to sing that for my Black History program tomorrow, so I need some answers. So tell me if, like, I know I messed up in a couple parts, but I couldn't even one more time, but still give me your feedback. Tell me if I like it or not, or if I should sing something else, or what I should sing, or just saying. So, you know, tell me what you think I should do.